Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for everyone. I hope that you're excellent today. So today we're gonna learn how to do the welding process in our module. So first of all, materials, we need wires, soldering wires, the flux, and the soldering wire that we're gonna use to do the same process, okay? So keep in mind this. So if it's the first time, it's not necessary to do this, but if you are already used your iron, you have to clean the stream of your iron using this paper, and keep in mind this to use again, okay? So in our case, the first thing that we have to do is to recognize our module. This is our RFID module, RC522. So if you discover all the elements, you will find different things. So here we're gonna analyze all of them. Okay, first of all, we're gonna have the module, the card, a pin, and two types of pins. Okay, so we have two types of pins because it depends on the use that you are doing. So it's your decision what is the which are the pins that you're gonna do that you're gonna use. Sorry. So the first one is this type. So you connect here. You can put here in these holes, and you can connect directly here, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to connect directly to the Arduino, this is useful. But in other way, in our side, we have these types of pins that are important to use if you want to put in any place the module. Okay, so you can choose the pins that you want, but in my case I'm gonna use the second one. Okay, so I'm gonna use the second one here. Okay, first of all, we're gonna put the pins in the holes, as you can see here. The idea is that you put and it's important that you do this process in a table. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna put our iron to the electricity. We're gonna connect to the electricity. We're gonna wait until the iron is warming, and we're gonna verify this putting the iron into the flux. So you can see this. That means that it's ready. You can verify that the iron can melt the wire, soldering wire. And once that we have this, remember to clean the stream of the iron using the flux. And once that we have cleaned our stream, our this part, so we're gonna start to weld. Okay, we're gonna touch briefly with the extreme of the iron, the wire. We're gonna wait that wet a little bit, and you have to do a point, a simple point like that. Once that you finish the point, you have to clean again, and there you will do all the streams. Okay, so all the pins. Okay, so we're gonna do the same process in all the cases. So remember, this process is a little bit dangerous because maybe you can burn it if you don't do properly. So for that reason, be patient. The idea is that you do in a quiet space and all things about it. Okay, so that's the idea, and you have to do the same process all the time. So the idea is that you can do simple points joining the iron with the soldering wire, and with that you have to wait until the wire is melting and do the point. Okay, it's important that you don't do a so big point or a small point. The idea is that we can do a point that can join the pins with the module. For that reason, you have to do with patience. Okay, once that you finish, okay, we can analyze the result here. As you can see, we did simple points. Look at here that you can see are simple points separated by them. It's very important that you can't join the soldering points together, because maybe you can do a short circuit. For that reason, you have to do separated points. Be careful with that. It's important that you do with patience, but here you have the result. Okay, so our model is ready to work.